Now let's be honest. Most people think staying fit after 50 means expensive gym memberships, heavy weights, or endless hours of workouts. The truth is, you don't need any of that. You don't even need to leave your house. What you really need are a few smart, simple moves that use your own body weight to bring back your strength, balance, and confidence. Hey there, friends. Before we get started, drop your first name and the city or state you're watching from in the comments. I love seeing where everyone in this community is tuning in from. We're building a space for folks over 50 who believe it's never too late to feel stronger, move better, and live with more energy. And here's something you'll love. A 2018 study from Nihon University in Japan found that adults between 50 and 65 who practice basic body weight exercises 3 times a week for 12 weeks increased their muscle and bone strength by an average of 4.5%. That's real progress without any fancy machines or supplements. So in this video, I'll show you 5 easy moves that can completely change how your body feels and works. No gym, no equipment, no stress. And here's a little secret. Exercise number 1 is the real powerhouse. Stick around, because if you do it the right way, you could start feeling a difference in as little as 1 week. If your screen looks dark or the sound feels low, take a second to brighten it up or turn up the volume. Ready? Let's do this together. Alright, let's jump right in. Starting from the bottom of our list and working our way up to number 1. We're counting down from exercise number 5 all the way to the most powerful move that can truly change the way your body feels after 50. So, grab a little space in your living room, take a sip of water, and let's begin slowly and safely. Exercise 5, the Glute Bridge. This one's simple but surprisingly powerful. The Glute Bridge focuses on your hips, hamstrings, and lower back. For anyone over 50, those muscles are key to walking, climbing stairs, and even getting up from the couch without pain. When those muscles weaken, your posture starts to shift, your back feels stiffer, and daily movement becomes harder than it should be. The Glute Bridge helps reverse that by waking up the biggest muscle group in your body, your glutes. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Keep your arms by your sides, palms facing down. From here, press your heels into the floor, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold for 1 or 2 seconds, then lower slowly. Start with 10 or 12 reps, move slow, and keep your form steady. You'll feel this in your backside almost right away, and that's a good thing. It means you're activating the right muscles. Done regularly, this move can improve hip flexibility, reduce lower back tension, and even make your legs feel lighter when you walk. It's low impact, safe for your joints, and one of the best ways to protect your spine. Take a deep breath, grab a sip of water, and tell me in the comments if you can already feel that stretch across your hips. Exercise for the bird dog. Now we're moving to the bird dog. It's a funny name, but a very effective exercise for balance and coordination. It helps you strengthen your lower back and core while improving control over your body. As we age, balance becomes one of the most important factors in staying independent. Studies show that falls are among the top reasons people over 60 lose mobility, and strengthening these muscles is one of the best ways to prevent them. Start on all fours, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Keep your back flat and your core tight. Slowly reach your right arm forward while extending your left leg straight back. Hold for a second, then return to the starting position and switch sides. The key is to move slow and steady, without letting your hips twist. You're training your body to stay balanced and coordinated, even when you move in opposite directions. If you're feeling a little wobbly, that's totally normal. The more you practice, the smoother it will feel. Over time, the bird dog helps correct posture, strengthen your spine, and build the kind of stability that keeps you steady when you reach for something high or bend down to tie your shoes. Try 5 reps per side to start. If you can feel your back and glutes working, you're doing great. And hey, if you're watching this on your phone, Tilt it a bit so you can see the position more clearly. Exercise 3, the plank. Next up is a move you've probably seen a million times but might have underestimated, the plank. Planks are one of the best exercises for strengthening your entire core, without putting pressure on your neck or back like crunches often do. This move trains not just your abs, but your lower back, shoulders, and even your legs. For people over 50, a strong core means better posture, fewer aches, and a lower risk of falling. To do it right, start by resting your forearms on the floor, elbows directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs back and lift your body so you form a straight line from your head to your heels. Tighten your core, squeeze your glutes, and avoid letting your hips drop or rise to high. Hold this position as long as you can while keeping your form steady. Even 20 to 30 seconds is a great start. As you get stronger, increase your time by a few seconds each week. What matters most is consistency, not perfection. You'll notice small changes at first, like standing taller or feeling more stable when you walk. Over time, your core strength will build from the inside out. If you start to shake a little while holding the plank, don't worry. That means your muscles are working. And remember, if your volume's low, turn it up a little. I want you to catch every tip because this one's worth mastering. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. That way, you won't miss out on more videos just like this, where we break down simple, no equipment moves that help you stay strong, mobile, and confident after 50. Every week I'll share easy routines, safe stretches, and real talk about staying healthy in your 50s, 60s, and beyond. Go ahead, subscribe now, and let's keep going together. Exercise to the push-up. Alright, let's move to the next one, the push-up. Now, don't roll your eyes just yet. Push-ups might sound intimidating, but you don't have to do them the way you did in high school gym class. This move can be adjusted for every fitness level, and it's one of the best all-around exercises for your upper body. It works your chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core. Push-ups also improve posture and help with everyday movements like pushing a door open or lifting groceries. That's why this exercise is especially useful for people over 50. You can start easy with wall push-ups. Just place your hands on a wall a little wider than shoulder width, step back slightly, and lower your chest toward the wall, then push back up. Once it gets easier, move to an incline push-up using a sturdy table, countertop, or bench. As your strength improves, you can try regular push-ups on the floor. Form matters more than anything else. Keep your body straight from head to heels, lower slowly, and press back up under control. You don't need to rush. Try doing 5 to 8 reps first, rest, and repeat one more set. With time, this exercise will not only make your arms and chest stronger, but it'll give you more confidence in your movement. Every rep you complete is proof that age doesn't define your strength. So, quick check-in. Are you hearing me loud and clear? If you are, type the word push in the comments to let me know you're still with me and ready for the next move. Exercise 1, the bodyweight squat. Here it is, our number 1 move, the bodyweight squat. I call this one the powerhouse because it works multiple muscle groups at once, including your thighs, glutes, and core. It's also the move most people start feeling results from within just 1 week. It's simple, efficient, and perfect for building strength and independence. Think about it. Every time you sit down and stand up, you're doing a form of a squat. That's why this movement is so important. It mimics real life, helping you stay mobile and independent longer. To start, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up, your core tight, and push your hips back like you're sitting into a chair. Lower yourself slowly, then drive through your heels to stand back up. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and don't rush. At first, try 8 to 10 reps and rest between sets. Over time, increase your reps as your legs get stronger. You'll notice your balance getting better and your lower body feeling more powerful. And here's a little pro tip. If your knees hurt, don't go to low. Just enough to feel the muscles engage. Even small squats make a difference when done correctly. The more you do it, the more natural it feels. This simple move can help you climb stairs with ease, get up from the floor without struggle, and carry groceries without pain. It keeps your joints flexible, boosts circulation, and even burns calories. You can do it while watching TV or listening to music. If your thighs are shaking a little right now, that's good news. Your muscles are waking up. Comment 5 if you're doing squats along with me right now. Now that you know the 5 key moves, here's how to make them work for you. The most important thing is consistency. You don't have to do them all every day, but try to get through the full routine at least 3 to 4 times per week. The whole thing takes less than 20 minutes once you're used to it. You can even split them up, 2 in the morning and 3 at night, whatever fits your schedule. Always warm up first, even if it's just a few minutes of gentle stretching or marching in place. That helps your joints loosen up and prepares your body for movement. Afterward, cool down with a few slow stretches to relax your muscles and help with recovery. Focus on quality over quantity. Slow, controlled movements build more strength and reduce the risk of injury. Don't worry about how deep or how long you can hold each pose in the beginning. What matters is doing them correctly and regularly. As you get stronger, you can increase your reps, time, or intensity little by little. If you ever feel pain, not just muscle soreness, but actual pain, stop and rest. Listen to your body. It knows what's best for you. There's no prize for pushing through pain, but there is progress in patience. Also, let's talk about recovery for a second. Staying hydrated is essential. Try drinking about 8 cups of water a day, more if you're sweating or spending time outdoors. Protein helps your muscles recover too, so make sure your meals include good sources like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, or a simple protein shake. You don't need fancy supplements. A balanced meal and enough rest go a long way. If you're still feeling hesitant, remember that small progress adds up fast. Maybe you start with 3 glute bridges today, then add 1 more each time. Maybe your first plank lasts 15 seconds, and by next month, you're holding it for 40. Every step counts, and it all starts with showing up for yourself. For the best results, keep a little notebook or use your phone to track how many reps you do, how long you hold a plank, or how your body feels afterward. You'll be surprised at how motivating it is to look back and see your improvement. And please, if something feels off or you're unsure about your form, check with your doctor or a certified trainer, especially if you have a history of joint or back issues. The goal is to move smarter, not harder. Let me remind you again, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. This channel is all about helping you live stronger and more confident after 50. You'll find simple workouts, joint-friendly routines, and nutrition tips that actually make sense. No quick fixes, just steady progress and real results. Click the button so we can keep improving together week after week. Take a second to breathe, drink a few ounces of water, and think about how your body feels right now compared to when we started. A little warmer, a little more awake, right? That's your body thanking you for moving. Now, before you go, tell me in the comments which of the 5 moves felt best for you today. Was it the bridge, the bird dog, the plank, the push-up, or the squat? I read every single comment and love hearing about your progress. Remember, you don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or hours of time to feel stronger and more alive. All you need is your body, a little motivation, and a plan that works for real life. Stay patient, stay consistent, and keep showing up. That's how you build the kind of strength that lasts for years to come. So, how about it? Are you ready to take control of your health one move at a time? Let's keep going together. One small step, one simple workout, one strong day at a time.